I died in a car crash 2 days ago. Was unrecognizable when they pulled me from the gears. No one's fault, no one's bottle, no one's teenage pride or throttle. Our innocence is all the worse for fears. The other walked away alive, arms wrapped now around his wife. My lover sits the silent eye in a hurricane of warmth and word. My mother trembles with the sobs whose absence seems absurd. My sister shouts to let her see through the cloud of crowds surrounding me. My colleagues call for silence in my name. I died in a car crash 3 months ago. They burned me till I glowed and crumbled to a fine gray sand. Now I am nothing everywhere, several breaths of strangers' air, and all thoughts ever written in my hand. They plant my tree out in the yard. It grows but takes the winter hard. I died in a car crash 4 years ago. My tree drinks melted snow, just 8 feet tall. My lover very much alive, arms wrapped now around his wife.